How to create a new account on Facebook. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account on Facebook. First, go to your web browser on your PC and reach the Facebook website. You can log in by using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click the Create Account button. Next, provide the required information including your first name, surname, date of birth, and gender. Then, enter your mobile phone number or email address along with the new password. Now hit the Sign Up button and you can save the password here. To verify your account, you can solve the puzzle shown on the screen. Once you are verified, click Continue and enter your email address. After that, it will send a 6-digit code to your email address. In the end, you can save the changes on your browser. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.